everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about mole concept. Okay. Mole concept. Okay. So here mole is a Latin word. Okay. It means piles or bulbness. Okay. So mole is a Latin word and it means piles or we can say bulkness. Okay. And here piles or bulkness it means we can say means in a small area huge amount of uncountable particles are present. Okay. So piles or bulkness it means in a small area uh, huge amount of uncountable particles are present. Okay, in a small area. Okay. So now let's see the definition of the mole. Mole is a counting unit like dozen or century. Okay. Which is used to determine the amount of microscopic substance. So here, what is mole? Mole is a counting unit. Okay, mole is a counting unit like dozen, century. Okay, which is used to determine the amount of the microscopic substance. Okay, and which never be seen. Okay, by our naked eyes. Okay, so here, microscopic substance. It means I say here microscopic substance like these chemicals are atoms elements, compound, ions, etc. Okay, so here microscopic substance, it means these chemicals, microscopic substance, these chemicals are we can say atoms, element, okay, compound, ion, okay. So mole is a counting unit like dozen, century, okay, and which is used to determine the amount of microscopic substance like we can say atom, elements, okay, compound, ions, okay, etc. Okay, so chemical atom, atoms, molecules, ion, okay. So atom, ions, okay. Here for example we can say atom like sodium, potassium, okay. Like sodium, potassium, copper, okay, etc. And their molecules, it means you can say element, elements or compounds, okay. So molecules, elements and compound, okay. Elements elements like hydrogen, fluoride, okay, etc. And here compound, it means you can say H2, water, carbon dioxide, etc. And ions, there are two types of ion. We know that first one is that positive charge ion, that is known as cation and anion, okay. And negative charge ion is called anion, okay. Cation and anion. Cations and anions, okay. Cations are positive charge ions are known as cation, and negative charge anions are negative charge, okay. For example, we can say sodium, iron, etc. Okay. For example, we can say sodium, iron, okay, etc. And in an ion, we can say, for example, chloride, chlorine, okay, oxygen, etc. So those ions which have a minus charge is known as our anion, and positive charge known as cation. Okay. Okay, so I hope you understand this thing. So let's see a point here. Okay, that one mole of any substance is always equals to the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Okay, so 1 mole of any substance is always equal to the 10 to the power 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Okay, or 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particle, we can also say this is our Avogadro number. Okay, now here 1 dozen is our 12 particles. Okay, and here 1 century is equal to 100 particles. And here 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Okay, this one is our Avogadro number. Okay, so here 1 dozen is equal to our 12 particles, and 1 century is our 100 particles, and here 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particle. This one is our Avogadro number. Okay, here here 1 gross is equal to 144 particles. Okay, so one thing you should have to learn. Okay, so I hope you understand all the things that we discussed today. That first of all, we had seen that mole is a Latin word. Okay, and it means piles or bulkness. Okay, and piles or bulkness, it means in a small area, huge amount of uncountable particles are present in small area. Okay, this one is known as our piles or bulkness. Okay, after that we discussed the definition of the mole. Okay, that mole is a counting unit. Okay, which is used to determine the amount of the microscopic substance. Okay, like atom, elements, compound. Okay, microscopic substance, it means these chemicals like atoms, element, compound, ions. Okay. So here chemicals, that is atoms, molecule, ion. Okay. So for example, in atom, for example, we can say sodium, potassium, copper. Okay. etc. After that, molecule, it means we can molecules divided into two. One, that is elements, or molecules are made up of elements, for example, we can say hydrogen, helium, etc. And here compounds, for example, we can say water, H2O, or CO2, carbon dioxide. Okay. After that, ions are two types. The first one is a cation and an ion. Okay. The positive charge ions are known as cation. Okay. And the negative charge ions are known as anion. Okay. After that, here is the point that 1 mole of any substance is equal to the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Okay. Or we can also say this number is an Avogadro number. Okay. Now here 1 dozen is equal to 12 particles. Okay. And 1 century is our 100 particles. And here 1 moles is our 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particle, or this number is also known as our Avogadro number. Okay. After that, 1 bronze is equal to 144 particles. Okay. So I hope you understand all the thing related to the whole concept. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.